guys, welcome back to Summer Auto Parts YouTube channel. Today's video we bring our new products for the Defender OCTA. So most OCTA customers is wondering what's the best solution for making your OCTA more OCTA. So today's video we have the top 5 beginner exterior pack for the Defender OCTA. From the videos, you will find these parts were made by the dry carbon fiber, which is stem-forged carbon with OCTA style patterns. So that makes the car is more factory look and nice design. Except the side mirror cap, it's a replacement one, so you need to remove the factory one and replace this with a clip and bracket. The other parts like the spoil all need to use 3M tape on the back side to stick on the car, so you will no draw, no hurt everything of your car. This tape will bring with you with the parts. The wheel edges especially for the new Defender OCTA, so if your car is just normal Defender 90 110, it's not workable, only for the new Defender OCTA. The front split is new design. It's coming with a wheel edge as a package. So if your car is just a normal Defender 90 or 110, it's not workable unless you upgrade our OCTA body kit and then fit on this carbon fiber package. Now let's follow me to start work on these accessories fixed on the new Defender OCTA. We will put every part is a separated installation guide videos, and you will find all the effects before and after in this video, coming with summer.